You see as it is for President Tinubu right now, Make it know as the roads they be for the common man, for the people. Now benue they go to, they see the rain, the massive rain when it fall for benue. See am, it shook am. Nobody to dey fly for up every time. See wetin dey happen today. I no wan bother anybody much. Nobody to talk like watch wetin happen for benue. See the rain when it shook Tinubu, shook a convoy. The people of benue, the dead people, their body, the pains. They say no, make it feel small of the thing when it happen. Just wash am and share this video and like it.
Saboda fasa wannan ruwan yana zaman da wani abu. Gefen can, gefen can, gefen.